We're going to do a little walk around on this 2018 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This one is a pretty special edition. This is one of the last years for the JK Jeep Wrangler. It also is a Recon edition, and it's got the limited edition Gobi exterior clear coat. But I'll do a quick walk around, and then we'll kind of discuss some of the finer details on this unit. But other than that, I mean, this one is listed for $30,000 currently. It's a one owner, low mileage. I think we're sitting at around 59,000 miles on the odometer. But yeah, up here in the front, you got the satin black grille with your LED headlights. You're also going to get the front steel bumper. It's got the Rubicon stamped in the front as well with the red tow hooks. And I really like this hood. Kind of got the Recon-specific decals. So it's got the Rubicon, then it's got a bunch of, I guess, some of the upgrades that were performed. So it's got a Dana 44 axle, a 410 axle ratio, locking differential, some cool stuff. Got your vented hood, kind of with a satin black, kind of break up all that Gobi. They also got the Recon-specific wheels, which look really great. No curb rash, in great condition. And here's your Recon edition badging. We actually have two of these on the lot right now for the last year of the JK. Both of them are Recon editions. I will be uploading a video on that one as well. Here's your interior. Got your black leather with the red Rubicon stitching. You're also going to get these red seat belts. 59,820 miles. Automatic. There's your infotainment center. Got this cool little badge up here. Front and rear axles, Dana 44 with true locking differentials. Electronic disconnect. Got 4-to-1 low range. Pretty unique. This one was built in Toledo, Ohio. But I mean, overall, I mean, this is a really, really clean one-owner JK. Got the rear steel bumper with the tow package equipped as well. Got the black three-piece hardtop with the Freedom panels. You're also going to get these, I don't know if they're Recon-specific side steps, but they are steel or rock rails, steel rock rails. I mean, overall, this is in great condition. The paint is perfect. I know it's kind of hard to see all the details. It's a little rainy here in Louisville, Kentucky today. But I figured this is a pretty unique Jeep, especially being the last year for the JK. I know some collectors might be pretty interested in something like this, but I mean, it being the Gobi Clearcoat Recon edition, I mean, it's pretty sweet, you guys. I like it a lot. I like the Gobi. I really like the decals on the hood. I think it kind of breaks up the Gobi paint a lot, but got a good theme going on. But other than that, $30,000, and this could be yours. 2018 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Recon edition. If you're interested, please check out our website, you all. It's going to be crossjeep.com. Give us a call at 502-537-1738. And please remember to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the Gobi Recon edition last year for the JK Jeep Wrangler. Other than that, you guys, appreciate you guys watching and checking out this Jeep video. And y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you, guys.